Hello everyone. My topic of presentation is optimization of ketoconazole loaded matrix tablet with improved dissolution properties. This is the introduction. This is the chemical structure of the ketoconazole. If we consider the ketoconazole, so we can tell that it's under BCS class 2 and it is used to treat the fungal infection. So it is an antifungal agent. If we consider the solubility, then we can tell the water solubility of ketoconazole is totally pH dependent and it is totally soluble in pH 1.2, 0.1 normal HCl, means in the strong acidic pH. The solubility of ketoconazole is increasing with decreasing pH property. After oral administration, though the drug will be dissolved in the stomach, it will not dissolve in the intestine. These are our objectives. Number one, to develop or establish a method for the preparation of the matrix tablet with HPMC, lactose, PVP K30, to increase the dissolution profile of the ketoconazole, to run the experiment with the help of D-optimal design expert software, and the estimation of drug and the method development. Now, the methods and results one. Under this category, first one is the ketoconazole loaded tablet preparation. To prepare the tablet, isopropyl alcohol and HCl solution is required that can help the drug to dissolve in the mixture. Then the PVP K30 was dissolved in it. Then the moist mass was prepared with the help of HPMC and lactose, and it was passed through the sieve number 8. Previously, it was passed through sieve number 44, and the total mixture was done with the help of geometric dilution. Then the wet granules were dried at 55 degrees Celsius temperature, and after drying, it was again passed through sieve number 44. Then the blending process has started, and it has started with talc and magnesium stearate, and we have used 10-station automatic tablet compression machine to prepare the tablet, and this tablet was considered as a control. Now, under the methods and results 2 category, we will discuss about the dissolution test of ketoconazole loaded tablet. We have used USP dissolution type 2 apparatus where 900 ml buffer was given in each and every bucket of the apparatus. After 10, 20, 30, 60, 120, 180, 240 and 320 minutes, 10 ml of the buffer sample was collected, and after collecting the 10 ml of the buffer solution, we have also given the 10 ml of the same solution to maintain the stability or the concentration of the solution. Before collecting the sample from the USP dissolution type 2 apparatus, in each and every bucket of the apparatus, we have given the matrix tablet, means the ketoconazole loaded tablets. So this is the calibration curve of the ketoconazole. In x-axis, we have taken concentration in microgram per ml unit, and in y-axis, the optical density. It follows y is equal to mx equation, m is equal to 0.0532, and r square value is nearly 1, that is 0.9984. Next one is the methods and results 4. Under this category, we'll estimate about the estimate of data after performing the dissolution. We have found different data, and among these data, we can conclude that when the formulation number 4 that contains 250 milligram of HPMC, 70 milligram of the PVP K30 and 280 milligram of lactose, the hardness has come as a result of 4.8 kg per centimeter square. 63.63% release of the drug has been occurred, and the time has taken to 240 minutes. And others, if we consider, then in case of formulation 3, The HPMC was 285 milligram, PVP K30 50 milligram, lactose 265 milligram. The hardness has come as 4.1 kg per centimeter square. The maximum percentage release we have found 32.32, and the time has taken 180 minutes. But among this data, the maximum percentage release we have given or got in case of formulation number 4, and in case of formulation number 7 and 8, we have found the maximum hardness, that is 5.3 kg per centimeter square. So these are the time percentage release profile curves, where time is taken in the x-axis and percentage release that has taken in the y-axis. For first 4 formulations, we have found this type of curves. Now, in case of formulation number 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, we have also got the graphs. In this graph also, the time has taken in the x-axis and maximum percentage release we have got or found in the y-axis. Now the methods and results 5. Under this category, we will discuss about the predicted versus actual values of the hardness, where the HPMC we have taken 1.60 milligram, PVP K30 23.05 milligram, and lactose 3.26 milligram. If we consider the graph, the lower value, that is 5, and the upper value is 6, and this is the hardness curve. So if we continue this method, we can tell that to increase the PVP K30, the hardness of the tablet has improved, but it has a dramatic effect on the release of the ketoconazole. When it was directly added to it, the maximum percentage release was 33%, but when it was added with isopropyl alcohol and HCl, the maximum percentage was 63.63% at 240 minutes. So these two graphs basically represent the predicted versus actual values of percentage release and the maximum percentage release and their log values respectively. The lower value is 30, the upper value is 70 in case of maximum percentage release, and in case of log scale, the lower value is 5 and the upper value is 100. So these are the formulations or equations in case of percentage of maximum release, the predicted versus actual values. In case of log scale, these are the equations. In case of percentage maximum release, when we have taken in the log scale, this equation we have found. And these are the constraints and their solutions. From it, we can conclude that when the yellow portion is present, we can tell that the ketoconazole has completely soluble in HCl, and we have reached our goal, that we have got the appropriate result from our experiment. So after solution, we can conclude that these two graphs basically represent the numerical optimization and the overlay plot. So these are our conclusions. We have done the experiment with the help of D-Optimal Design Expert software. After the estimation of the drug, the development has been occurred. It's a very novel method for the development of ketoconazole loaded matrix tablet. The maximum percentage release we have found 63.60% in 240 minutes or 4 hours. Thank you very much.